All right, we're here today because of this tree. And what it lost during a recent storm. Lost one of its big limbs, which is about the size of a regular tree. But what I thought was really interesting, and my dad and mom sent me the pictures, was this right here. That's pretty wild. I've never seen a tree impaled by a satellite dish pole. Interesting. Look at the pole. It even has wood. I wonder how far that wood goes into that pole right there. Dang. That's not like it just cracked it or split it. It actually impaled the tree. The tree limb. That's some good wood though. Oak. Yeah! Pretty wild. All right, so me and my brother Paul are going to go ahead and cut this up into firewood size pieces. So let's get the job started. Back here. We're good. All right, so today the tools we'll be using is the Stihl MS-251 and my favorite Stihl MS-660. This runs like a champ. We'll be using that just to delimb the small stuff. With this 660 one, I also just replaced the muffler on. Put just a stock muffler back on it. The other one was blown out, falling apart. But it runs good. Well, there's the trophy. Might leave it out here for a kiddie ride. Kiddie ride. Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Now what?
It broke. I broke the bronc.
You alright?
Oh, how good is your insurance, Dad? Oh.
You okay?
60-year-old man shouldn't be riding log ponies. That'll be the trophy. But it's just amazing. It's just amazing how that thing went through that piece of wood. All right, time for a drink. Well, we got it all cleaned up. We got a good old burn pile going on. And I got some wood to take home and split up off that one tree limb. I'm sure there'll be more. But anyway, thanks for stopping by today here at Peterson Farms in Nashville and seeing what we do back at the old homestead where I grew up. And just helping Mom and Dad out. And me and my brother came out, cut some wood up, and had a little fun, and spent a little time fellowshipping while we were out here. So, there's my mom.
Yeah, they worked so hard today. I appreciate it.
There's my dad. Check to see if he's still breathing.
Here.
Oh, he's got a beer there.
But don't show that.
And there's Paul. We got it done, didn't we?
Yeah, that was a
All
good
right.
job.
Thank you.
All right. So anyway, we do these sort of things so friends, family, and future generations can look way back when and see us in the now or the future, whatever the case may be. God bless you all till next time.